If I talk about the Varanasi is a place where the Banarasi collections has been found, and these collections from North Indians to all West Indians and even South, entire all state people demands for this Banarasi exclusive collections. So today in this video, friends, I'm going to show you the exclusive Banarasi varieties from Kesaria manufacturers, which starts from only 400 rupees. Please watch this video. Retailers, if you are into Banarasi exclusive collections, retail concept business you are doing, you can directly watch this video and you can do online shopping from factory price. You can purchase from sitting from Pan India, from your home. You can do COD online orders, and from international we provide you the services. So you can directly tie up and you can purchase these collections. So if I talk about the Banarasi varieties, as I said, it starts from 400 rupees from Kesaria manufacturers. So I'm going to show you the samples. If you really liked it, you can go ahead for the bulk order. I'm not going to mention you the specific price in the video because many retailers, many customers are doing a business with us, and we do have many retailers. So that's the reason we are not able to mention the price on the videos. You can take down the screenshot and you can contact our online team. You can find out the prices. If I talk about the first pattern of the beautiful Rama color with the red color combination or the maroon color, this is Devyanshi collections. Devyanshi collections of the beautiful heavy pallu, such exclusive variety with blouse you can purchase with 630 meters you can buy. And this is the Devyanshi is the pattern. So Devyanshi one, on this you will find out the beautiful color charts. This is a sky blue with the magenta color combination, purple with Rani color combination, orange color with purple color combination, bottle green with tomato red color combination. This is magenta with navy blue combination, purple with navy blue combination, green with red color combination, and navy blue with red color combination. All these varieties you can purchase from exclusive set to set with the color option chart. If I talk about the next variety, such a beautiful variety of the bottle green with the silver jerry or the silver chumki work on the tree pattern print with the weaving lightweight saree. If I talk about this saree and this color chart with the coat called New Capital Silk, lightweight Banarasi, simple and classy look with the tree image of the weaving pattern has been done in this. The following color charts are the dark purple color, dark Rani color, dark navy blue color, dark green color, and dark magenta color. The all varieties of this collections of New Capital Silk, the saree looks like this, and every saree you will find out the same photocopy of the sarees. All these exclusive varieties you can purchase from Kesaria manufacturers. If I talk about the quality you have no doubts, we do have many more options in this color chart. In the Banarasi small butta pattern, the next pattern, if I talk about the color chart, so this is called as Barsat 5 is the code. You can take down the screenshot and you can contact Barsat 5. This is a small butta with dark purple with magenta color combination. The following color charts are bottle green with red color, Rani color with navy blue color, navy blue with tomato red color, dark pink with navy blue color, royal blue with magenta color, maroon color with navy blue color. All these Barsat 5 collections have a beautiful color chart. If I talk about the soft silk Banarasi, beautiful red color with Rani color combination. There's a beautiful leaf butta weaving work saree. On this saree you will find out the following color charts are the coffee brownish color chart, and the dark red color, and the dark royal blue color, and dark wine color, and dark Rama green color. Friends, I have showed you the all soft silk Banarasi small butta tree leaf pattern and the exclusive Meenakari pattern of Banarasi varieties. I've showed you with every pattern you will find out color chart. There's no single piece. Kesaria manufacturers gives you wholesale at color chart set to set, any segment you can buy. So these are starts from 400 rupees to today I've showed you around 1500 varieties to 2000. I've not mentioned you the specific prices. To know specific prices, please contact the numbers which are on the screen. You can talk to our online team. You can do video calling live purchase. You can do visit purchase, which is located at Surat City Ring Road. Millennium Textile Building 1, Kamila Darwaza Signal Point. First floor, morning 9:30 to 8:30. We operate our shop. You couldn't travel. You can have a directly online shopping 24/7 India plus international. We are providing you safe and securely transported shipping services pan India. We provide you COD options where 20 to 25,000 minimum purchase you can do. If you're sitting out of India, Indian currency money 50,000 approximately, you can buy mix and many more segments and you can start your clothing business. With Kesaria manufacturers under one roof, you can buy sari, lehenga, kurti, bottom, dupattas, collections, kurti, suit material, handloom collections, kids collections, lehengas, designer, bridal, sidewear, partywear, boutique varieties, all at under one roof. You can purchase at factory price, wholesale collections, set to set, and you can start your clothing business, either boutique or showroom or home-based business, e-commerce platform tie-up. Options is yours. Let me know at the comment box from which city you're watching my video, and come and subscribe the channel. Keep share with your friends, relatives a link, and you can do online shopping. The notifications will get to know. So please just click a bell icon where you will get the regular product videos and business informations of Kesaria, and you can follow the website page and following social media pages to have a regular updates. Next video I'll come up with many more business informations with new more products. Till then, keep supporting. Next video will meet. Till then, take care. Bye bye.